Hey, y'all. Something happened with that first one. But anyway, hope you all are having a great Tuesday. I figured what better way to use my lunch break than to clean our house. It's really been kind of nuts here lately. So I figured why not figure out a way to, here we go. Awesome. So figure out a way to be able to do a little bit of cleaning while the little guy is down. So I'm going to show you what we do. It's really super easy and it's a really fun hack actually. So check it out. So this is the area in question. This is our shower area and it's just, ugh, yeah, it's really bad. My mom would be so embarrassed that I'm even showing this. But here's what's going on. So for this shower area, we used to use things like the Lysol bleach cleaners and what was that other one? Crud cutter. It seems like it was a Michigan thing. But anyway, this is what we now use. So I use dish soap. And I crack this guy open. I just use it straight on. And I'm literally just kind of drizzling it on the floor. And that is enough with my handy brushes, the part that makes it fun, to be able to just scrub it. And so as I'm scrubbing it, I'm going to bring that stuff up and really clean it. Whoa! And so the great part about this is it's a way for me to break through the soap scum and get all of this really clean. The other thing we've noticed too, and I'll show you this real quick, is when we started using a charcoal filter for our water, we have one on our shower head. I'll show you that here in a moment. That actually helped to reduce some of the stinging that Brian was getting in his eyes, even when he was taking a shower. So that's part of what we now use to help with just kind of keeping things as clean as possible. So we have it here with our bathroom, and then we also have it in the kiddos' bathrooms. So here we go. All right, so this is what it looks like right now. I'm breaking that up. Now, with what is left in terms of dirt and residue, what I'm not getting up with a dish soap, I then take a scoop of a homemade soft scrub. And so this is actually Thieves household cleaner along with some baking soda and lemon oil. And so I just take it and I'll just kind of throw down some clumps. And it's just thick enough that it acts like a paste. So I'm going to add some water to it. And that's right. So you can see it real quick there with our jimmied up deal. So this is our charcoal filter. And that's what we've been using to help with filtering out the water so that it's a little cleaner than what would naturally come out of the tap. So I'm going to take my charcoal cleaner, take my soft scrub, throw it on out here, and then add a little bit of water. There we go. And off we go. So now it's going to clean up the rest of this and break it all up. And so the great thing is now I don't have to be on my hands and knees to clean, and it allows me to be able to really get things nice and on point and not worry about using a lot of crazy chemicals, because especially with our feet, they absorb a lot of this stuff and that just does not make for a good look. So yep, that is what we've got going on here. So I'm gonna keep scrubbing on this, but of course you want to see that. But what I will show you is what I use to make that soft scrub, because we also use it in another way as well. So I'm going to plop that here on the side, and that's this guy. So we use a Thieves household cleaner. Oh, hold on. There we go. We use a Thieves household cleaner. That's what it is. And so when we set it up, we just use it in a glass bottle or a plastic bottle. And so it's really easy to set up. So I'm just going to take a funnel and fill it up with just filtered water. I like to use filtered water just that way, so I know that whatever is getting on in here, it's going to be as clean as possible. And I like to do my water first before I put in the household cleaner, so that way I don't get any crazy amounts of bubbles. There we go. That should do it, because I want it to be a little bit stronger than normal. And then I use about maybe an ounce worth. It's about 2 tablespoons in there. And that's it. So now I have it all nicely measured off and ready to go. I put my spray top on and I'm ready to rock. So this means now I can use this cleaner just simple and easy. It's the same cleaner that was in that soft scrub. I just used this with some baking soda and lemon, and now I can use it in here to go through and do some serious spraying. So, fun thing about this sprayer and some of the other sprayers that are available is that on occasion you can get them from Amazon, or with Young Living you can also get them. But what I like to mention is that whenever there's a possibility of getting something like this for free, that is currently available. So if you're wanting to find different ways to clean up around the house and do so as naturally as possible, this is definitely the one to check out. So let me show you what I'm spraying down here. So area to get all that clean. I like to use just a microfiber, nothing too fancy. Oh, get this out of the way. The cool part of this is, as much as I'm doing this cleaning, this is something that my sweet girl can also do. Heck, my son will even go to town with it. And we don't worry about them getting sick or hurting themselves because it is a plant-based cleaner, versus if they were going to try to do this with, you know, some sort of thing like Tilex or Lysol or the rest of it. Even Greenworks has some really questionable stuff in it, and Doc Myers. So I'm going to keep cleaning, hey friends, and get things going here because nap times are short. So hope you enjoyed, and if you have any questions, just feel free to ask. All right, talk to you guys later. Bye.